This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bob Kennedy. Completely turnkey, remodeled 2-1 in desirable southeast neighborhood. Natural sunlight from large windows shows off the brand new kitchen with quartz countertops and wood cabinets. Entire home has newly installed LVT flooring. Fenced yard, covered lanai, new AC, metal roof. Just bring your furniture. The floor plan will not disappoint. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Kennedy at 352-208-4555.